In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. I am Professor Ameer. I hope that you'll be doing well. Let us learn phrasal verbs and prepositional verbs. Part 1. M. Meanings and use. Number 1 phrasal verb is call over. Meaning, ask someone to come near. Sentences. He called me over to listen to his request. They called us over to join them at their table. Number 2. Climb up, meaning ascend or increase, go up. Sentences. She climbed up the hill with the help of a rope. He climbed up a tree as soon as he saw a dog coming towards him. Number 3. Climb down, meaning descend, back down, withdraw from an opinion or commitment. Sentences. He climbed down after the dog moved away. They climbed down from their commitment to support him. Number 4. Carry over, meaning to transfer, carry to another time or place. Sentences. The computer can carry information over to other devices. We can carry over our savings to the next month for buying new clothes. Number 5. Cast away, meaning discard, abandon, eliminate data. Sentences. He cast away all the extra things from his room. One of the crew members was cast away on the island. You can cast away some files to create space in your computer. I think this video is useful to you. If you find this useful, like this video, subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.